Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Dragon Horoscope 2020. A look at the year ahead. Dragon Horoscope 2020 predicts that this year should be relatively tranquil for you. You will be more realistic this year. This will be able to help you out in many areas of your life in the 2020 year of the white metal rat. You may have troubles finding your motivation at times. But when you are motivated, you will be able to think clearly and plan for the future with ease. At times, you will have high energy levels, and these are the best times to work out or work on your goals. One strange thing about Chinese astrology is that one of the signs is a mythical creature. The fifth sign in the Chinese zodiac is the dragon. The Chinese dragon is a snake-like creature, but with legs. This usually has no wings, but it can still fly. Chinese dragons were said to be signs of good luck and prosperity. People who are born in the year of the dragon are said to be powerful, kind, friendly, lucky in all endeavors, and a bit narcissistic. These traits are sure to help out any person born in the year of the dragon with their horoscope for 2020. 2020 Dragon predictions for love. Chinese zodiac forecasts 2020 for Dragon suggest this year you will have a relaxing relationship. But that doesn't mean that it will be boring. Is 2020 lucky for the Dragon? You are likely to be more spontaneous in the affairs of the heart. You will want to keep your partner on their toes this year. Keeping things exciting and new is a great way to make your relationship better. If you are single, then your spontaneity is a great way to find a new partner. Try new things, go to new places, and you are sure to meet some interesting people. So, will the dragon get married in 2020? Don't be lazy in your relationships, talk things out when you need to. Make sure to trust yourself with your feelings, and try to trust your partner as well. Try to strengthen the bonds that you already have with your friends and family this year. When you are trying to make new friends, be yourself. You will not have good relationships if you go into them under pretenses. Don't isolate yourself this year, let your social life flourish in 2020. There are chances for pregnancy too in this Chinese New Year. Dragon 2020 Career Astrology. Dragon 2020 predictions forecast that many new opportunities will come your way at work. Indiana 2020. This is a great time to schmooze to your superiors if you are looking for a promotion. This is also a great year to get along with your co-workers. As well as making new friends, your co-workers are likely to be able to help you out with projects at home. Plus, employers love people with great teamwork skills. Try to focus on one big goal at work in 2020, as well as continuing to work on whatever your superiors tell you to do in this 2020 year of the rat. Dragon 2020 Finance. There will be some aggravating unexpected expenses that the Chinese zodiac dragon will have to deal with this year. To prepare for this, try to pay off all of your past debts and save up money for the new one that is likely to come up. The more prepared you are, the less of a toll the expense will take on your budget. Saving for next year is also a wise idea. Year of the Dragon predictions for health. The more that you work out, the more healthy that you are likely to feel. However, you need to make sure that you do it often. So, making a schedule for yourself may also help. Keeping a food diary is also a great way to make sure that you are keeping your diet balanced. Dragon, try to reduce your stress levels throughout the year, or else you will have a higher chance of falling ill in 2020.